Okay, so hopefully you've watched the 10.4a videos. What I want to add to that, I just want to, well, here, let's start. This is our 13th thing, and it's going to be solving equations by factoring. That's what we're doing in this whole 10.4 thing. So for me, this is going to be, remember I'm saving this page 21 in case we need to add anything else. So it's going to be 22 and 23 for me. So solving, this is 22, right? Yeah. Solving equations, what did I say with factoring? Yeah. By factoring, with factoring, by factoring. Solving equations by factoring. So our goal, can you see this okay? It's like I need more light or something. Okay, so the goal is to take this step by step and be successful. That's really the number one goal, because like this is sort of new stuff, but we've learned it all individually, and now we're just going to kind of smash it together in pieces. So you guys have got this. It's going to be great. Leave some room. So we're gonna review some vocabulary first, and then leave some room. Come down here, take some COVID notes. How are you doing learning math in this weird time? My brain is tired. That's mine for today. But you know, yours might be different. Take some kind of general notes. How do you feel when I say solving equations by factoring? And then again, give yourself a confidence score. How do we usually do that? What do I say? Yeah, confidence. I'm going to put this down here because we'll have some other ones. We'll have some other goals. We might take some more notes. We'll just keep coming back to this page 22. So again, confidence. A 1 is I don't have it yet, and a 10 is I got this. Kind of where do you land on this? Solving equations by factoring. Okay, so I'm just going to take some notes here. 10.4a, they have you write this in your workbook, but I want you to sort of have stuff here as well. And really two takeaways from 10.4a. An integer that's a fancy way to say a positive or negative number. So on some of the questions they ask you for what's an integer, what's the fraction. So the integer is going to be a positive or negative whole number. So an example would be -2. An example would be 4. An example would be -10, right? Anything like that is going to be an integer. A fraction, remember, is a part over a whole. This you've talked about in other classes, right? And it looks like 1/2, which you would type in 1/2, right? It might be 2/5, it might be 3/4, it might be 7/2, I don't know. But these are all fractions, right? So That's the difference. We've got whole numbers that are positive or negative. That's an integer. And then fractions. Fractions are those little tiny numbers between the whole numbers. And then the other key takeaway is in order to solve these, we have to set each factor equal to 0. And that's it. Go back. I think to 10.4a will probably be one of those things that feels like it should be harder than it is. It'll probably go really easily, and then you'll be like, well, what was Heidi talking about? Or at least I hope that's what will happen. Okay, so go finish 10.4a, and then watch 10.4b's videos, and then come back here and we'll take some notes about those.